Traditionally, black and white film takes us back to the old Hollywood films and TV shows, but you might have noticed a black and white comeback. Hi, I'm Paulo Simões, and today we're discussing monochrome, the use of black and white video images. Notice how we mix monochrome and color images on projects. Here, sales coach Elise Archer's interview is in black and white, but the remaining footage is in color. The opposite was done with former NFL athlete Marcus Ogden, where the interviews were in color and the B-roll footage was not only monochrome, but also in slow motion. The only rule here was to keep consistency so that we didn't confuse the viewers. Mixing color and black and white images can be a great way to keep your videos interesting. For more tips and tricks, visit briosmedia.com, and while there, make sure to view some of our projects. I'm Paulo Simões. See you next time.